I'm making ice with the sun right now. Just let that sink in. Let me show you how we did it. I'm at the camper today and I am powering the ice maker with a 3000 watt inverter connected to a lithium ion battery that is connected to a solar charge converter and this 200 watt solar panel. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the package, demo it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you are only going to have the solar panel. Now, this is quite large, as you can see here. It is quite large. On the back, we have the connector cords. In order to connect the solar panel to the battery, I did first purchase this solar charge controller, as well as some wire that's specifically designed to make these connections. The wire that I purchased has one end that connects easily with the solar panel connections. Red is positive, black is negative. The solar panel itself is incredibly nice. It's easy to move around, it's not super heavy, and the fact that the connections are very standard is incredibly helpful. Now, the other end of these wires plug into the solar charge controller on the left side, and then you have to connect the solar charge controller to the battery. To run any appliances or devices, you're going to also need a power inverter and then whatever device you want to run. In our case, we're using this to make ice. If you're looking for a way to bring the power of the sun to your RV life or a campground or just pretty much anywhere, I would not hesitate to recommend this solar panel. Just be mindful that you are going to need additional components to make this work.